Good day to all. Dr. Devan Kumar was here, representative of Kyrgyz Russian Slavic University in India, Director of Operation Fix Me Education Organization. Today we'll talk about top university in Kyrgyzstan, which is Kyrgyz Russian Slavic University. Here the question for you. Features of KRSU and their managements. Established in 1993, the Kyrgyz Russian Slavic University was founded based on the agreement between the government of Russian Federation and the government of Kyrgyz Republic. At the present, there are 24 integrated training programs and specialty for all level of higher educations. KRSU has country ranking 1. The medium of instruction is English. Limited seats, 80 students only. Graduates of KRSU will get 2 certificates from the Ministry of Higher Education in the Russian Federation and the Ministry of Higher Education in the Kyrgyz Republic. KRSU recognition boards: World Health Organization, European Union, Medical Board of California, as well as Medical Council of India. Management: great flexibility while paying a fee, which everything will be in transparent manner and will not be pressurized to clear the dues in a given fixed period of time. No hidden or extra charges. Full-time caretaker from India to assist students in every possible ways. Our management provides hostel equipped with the TV, air conditioner, warming system, washing machine and fridge. In our hostel, food is cooked by an Indian chef. We provide a separate hostel for both girls and boys with 24-hour security. Qualification required to study at KRSU. Student should possess a minimum of 50% in 12th standard, PCB, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, as well as in English. A mandatory of NEET qualification. The result of NEET shall be valid for a period of 3 years from the date of declaration of result to study in abroad. You may check in official website nmc.org.in. Documents required: 12th class mark sheet, front and back side, original passport, front and back side, passport size color photograph with white background, NEET scorecard copy compulsory. Document should be in color. How to join in KRSU? The official head offices are located in the following cities in India: Ulundirpet, Tamil Nadu; Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Delhi, Etawah, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana and Odisha. Fix Me. Fix Me Education Organization always care about their students and try to help in every possible way, so that we offer scholarship for best performing students in every year. One-on-one mentorship regarding residency programs like NEXT, USMLE, PLAB. Our scholarship programs provide free Q banks and medical equipments. To get an admission in Kyrgyz Russian Slavic University, you may contact us. +91 900 38 55 175 98 429 09058 90 949 99 799 86 106 32 911, and you may check our websites www.fixmembbs.com. Thank you.